Behind every mile of every Texas road, science is at work. TxDOT's Materials and Test Division Lab analyzes every crack, concrete mix, and microscopic particle from all over the state. This testing is known as petrographic analysis.
Petrographic analysis is essentially the use of microscopy, mineralogy, geology, chemistry, all of these things combined to look at different failures in the roads and do a forensic analysis.
Using a scanning electron microscope, a team of experts study the road in depth, almost as if it were a medical exam, using technology that's also used in hospitals to detect any damage invisible to the human eye.
So something that starts off really small, but once it starts spreading, it can cause some really large-scale cracking, and it's actually known as concrete cancer.
The Petrolab also uses technology such as the LIBS scope, the same technique that analyzes minerals in space.
That's laser-induced blast spectroscopy. It's actually the technology that's used on the Mars rover. A laser will essentially hit the surface and do an elemental analysis.
Each test is adapted to the unique conditions of every corner of the state and its extreme temperatures, seeking to avoid hazards, improve materials, and ensure that our roads are safe.
We put so much time and energy and effort into making sure these roadways are as safe as possible. People matter more than your phone.